So hey guys, check out what just happened to my car going through an automatic car wash one time. So I never go through automatic car washes. I did it this one time, just being lazy. Never a fan of them because of the scratches you can get, swirls, the brush marks, all that kind of stuff. But I want to share with you guys this. So I did the chrome delete, you guys remember. But right here, it looks like it might have caught it because it ruffled it up here, if you see that. So this is going to have to be redone. Just chewed it up, put a little slice in it even. A lot of people have been asking, does it hold up? And I didn't really know because I didn't really go through car washes. So now I can tell you I would probably advise against it. I'm sure you guys can go through it and it not happen because the other side didn't. But if the way you install it, if it's just hanging down a little bit lower and that brush happens to catch it, it'll lift it like that and it won't go down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tear this off, and I have a set of the matte black. I think it might look really good to match the lower trim a little bit better. So it'll all be matte black, and then just the pillars will be glossy. So I'm going to try that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I'm done installing that. See what you guys think. So I just wanted to share that with you real quick. So if you guys are debating going through automatic car wash, you might want to just wash it by hand, save yourself some time and money, and not mess up your vinyl. Hope that'll help you guys out. Appreciate it. Until next time, take care, everybody.